Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back for another portion of veg. Today I'm going to show you an Italian specialty and it's Bolognese, but just in a plant-based way. It's gonna take us about 25 minutes to prepare this dish, so what else? Then let's get started. First, go ahead and prepare red lentils and cook them for 8 minutes after the water starts boiling. Then cut all the veg into small pieces. Now cover the mince with water and leave it for about 5 minutes until it soaks all the water and drain it as much as possible. Your vegetables should be sautéed for around 8 minutes before you add mince, lentils and the rest of the ingredients. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy this delicious recipe. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to support us, and see you next time. May the plants be with you. Cheers!